नमस्कार सभी को। माई सेल्फ हरि बाबू गुप्ता, पीजीटी मैथ्स, केंद्रीय विद्यालय क्रमांक 86। टुडे आई एम डिस्कसिंग द टॉपिक इंटीग्रेशन बाय मेथड ऑफ सब्स्टिट्यूशन। अर्लियर टॉपिक्स of NCERT exercise 7.1. Here we discuss about the simple concept and simple formula, how to make an integration of simple formulas or based questions. But some question cannot be solved by the using direct formula. Like as an example of question 1, find the integration of 2x upon 1 plus x square dx. This question cannot be solved by using the previous formula. If this question is like as this, integration 1 plus x square upon 2x dx, then by earlier formula discussion, it can be solved as like this. But in this question, it cannot be break like this type, so we cannot solve this formula directly. For solving of this type formula, we have to substitute some values. For understanding which value we have to substitute, which value differentiation used for this substitution, we search out which values of differentiation is given here. For example, for solving this question, we have know that the differentiation of 1 plus x square is 2x. This is the previous knowledge, we must acquire it to finding the solution of this type questions. And you have to accumulate familiar about the differentiation. So first, differentiation of 1 plus x square is 2x. This is the pre-information to you. How to utilize this information to solving these questions? We considered this fact, this result in the following manners. Let 1 plus x square equal to t. Differentiation with respect to x, it become 1 is 0 and x become 2x and t become dt by dx. So dx can be written as dt by 2x. Substitute these value put in integral. When we putting these value in integral, the integral will be reduced as the form of 2x. dx can be written as dt by 2x and 1 plus x square can be written as t. That the 2x is 2x cancel, it will convert as the dt by t. By the previous formula, we can write it log of t plus c. Modulus में why we write the modulus of t? Because the domain of log function is always positive. So if the t is negative, to making the positive of sense of t, we use the modulus value of t. It is a common question, why sir using the mod of t instead of t? If I write only log t, so what is the impact of the answer? So the impact of the answer, what is the logic using the mod t is because the domain of logarithmic function is positive real number, no negative real number, log value is defined, so we use the modulus of t. Hence why the answer is become integration 2x by 1 plus x square dx is log t is value is 1 plus x square plus c. So my lovely dear student, you understand how to use your differentiation skills in solving the integrations problem. जहाँ भी आपके सब्स्टिट्यूशंस वाली प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं वहाँ पे आपको ये चीज़ बहुत ही गौर से देखनी है कि किस वैल्यू को हम ले लें जिसका डिफरेंशिएशन यहाँ पे एग्जिस्ट है. जैसे कि एक प्रीवियस नॉलेज मेरे पास थी 1 + x² की वैल्यू का डिफरेंशिएशन करते हैं वी गेट 2x. तो बाय यूजिंग दिस इंफॉर्मेशन वी सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. कॉमन क्वेश्चन जो बच्चों का आता है वो यही रहता है कि सर हम कैसे डिफाइन करें कि मुझे किसके लिए किसको टी कंसीडर करना है, क्योंकि बेसिक प्रॉब्लम यहीं से स्टार्ट होती है. अगर आप अंडरस्टैंडिंग कर पाए कि टी मुझे किसको कंसीडर करना है, योर half of the problem is solved. Rest of the problem you can solve by your successive effort of the solving process. But the major problem, most crucial point of solving this type of question is to consider which value we considered as a t to finding the solution of the question. Let's we discuss another question which will give you a better glimpse of this types problems. Question number 2, integration log x² by x d. तो इस previous question the rational function is given where we considered 1 + x² is t, means that is denominator is considered as t. But in this question we considered log x equal to t. The insight of considering log x as t is this, because we know that differentiation of log x is 1 by x, and we can also observe that 1 by x is also written here, so we considered log x as t. The solution is let log x equal to t. Differentiation with respect to x, 1/x equal to dt by dx. So dx become x dt. Put these two values. Put in integration, we got it the result like this. Integration log x² by x dx can be written as log x is substituted by t, so it becomes t², and by x, and dx is substituted by x dt. X and x cancel, integration t² dt. So one important observation is when we substituting the log x h t or other value h t, then at the end it will be the integration only on function t. No x will be in this step. If the x is remain, then you cannot solve this question by the method of substitution. You have to apply other tactics or other methods to solving this type problem. So be aware about that. It will be at the last, it will be converted in whole of the function of t, so you can easily find this answer. And previous knowledge we have also know that integration of x to the power n dx is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Using this result, we can say that t² become t to the power 3 by 3 plus c. At the end, the answer will be integration log x² by x dx is t value is log x whole cube by 3 plus c. So this is the answer of this question. I hope you understand how to use the substitution method to solving the such type problem. Next we consider one more example. Question number 3rd, integration 1 by x plus x log x dx. Previous two questions you have seen that we can directly consider as t which is given values, but in this question we have to some modification this question to finding the t which we have to consider as t. So what is the modification we have to do it? We take common is x, so it become 1 plus log x d. Then take 1 plus log x as t. Differentiation with respect to x, 1 is 0 and log x become 1 upon x and t become dt by dx. So we can say that dt equal to dx by x. Putting these value in integration, the integration become like as and dx is dt is so dt become is 1 upon x, so dt upon dx, so dt equal to dx, oh sorry, here we considered as dx equal to x dt, so put the value of dx is x dt, x to x cancel, this convert as 1 upon t dt. By previous information we know that the integration of 1 by t dt is log of t plus. Substitute the value of t in the answer, log t 1 plus log x plus. So the final answer is 1 upon x plus x log x dx is log 1 plus log x plus c. One more example on this topic. Question number 12 of NCERT exercise, x cube minus 1 to the power 1 by 3 x to the power 5 dx. For solving this question, we substitute x cube minus 1 x cube minus 1 h t. Differentiation with respect to x, x cube become 3x square equal to dt upon dx, that is dx equal to dt upon 3x. Put these value in integration. The integration is converted as x की power 5 can be written as x cube into x square dx. Any problems? Because 3x square is given, here dx value should be considered. Substituting this value x cube minus 1 can be written as t to the power 1 by 3. X cube can be written as t plus 1 x स्क्वायर dx के लिए हम dx की जैसे ही वैल्यू लिखेंगे तो इट विकल dt अपॉन 3x स्क्वायर टू एक्स स्क्वायर कैंसिल. सो द इंटीग्रेशन इज कन्वर्ट एज t टू द पावर 1 by 3 इंटू t plus 1 dt and 1 by 3 take common. Further more simplification, और t to the power 4 by 3 plus t की पावर 1 by 3 dt. Now taking integration of this, so it become t की पावर 4 by 3 plus 1 plus 4 by 3 plus 1 by 3 common in whole, t to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 1 by 3 plus 1. Further simplification, 1 by 3 t to the power 7 by 3 by 7 by 3 plus t to the power 4 by 3 by 4 by 3 plus c. So 1 by 3 t to the power 7 by 3 by 7 plus 3 by 4 t to the power 4 by 3 plus c. Taking 3 common and cancel out by this. So 3 by 3 t to the power 7 by 3 by 7 plus t to the power 4 by 3 by 4 plus c. 3 to 3 cancel. So the final answer become integration x cube minus 1 to the power 1 by 3 into x to the power 5 dx is x cube minus 1 to the power 7 by 3 by 7 plus x cube minus 1 to the power 4 by 3 by 4 plus c. One more question is solved by the method of substitution. Question number 19. Integration e to the power 2x minus 1 by e to the power 2x plus 1. We observe it, no integration of no differentiation of e to the power 2x plus 1 is e to the power 2x minus 1. So we have to modify this question for our convenience. For modifying this for our convenience, we write this question like as dividing numerator and denominator by e to the power x. We get the question is converted e to the power 2x minus 1 upon e to the power 2x plus 1 divided by e to the power x divided by e to the power x dx. And this become e to the power x minus e to the power minus x e to the power x plus e to the power minus x dx. Take let e to the power x plus e to the power minus x is t. So e to differentiation with respect to x e to the power x plus dy dx of e to the power x plus e to the power minus x equal to d upon dx of t, that e to the power x minus e to the power minus x equal to dt by dx. Hence e to the power x minus e to the power minus x dx equal to dt. Substitute these two values in this part. So integration which convert as the value of upper part is this part value is by this, so it can be written as dt, and this value by substituting this, so it become t. dt upon t means log of t. So the answer of integration e to the power 2x minus 1 e to the power 2x plus 1 dx is log t value is e to the power x plus e to the power minus x plus c. तो इस तरीके से इस क्वेश्चन को करना था. एक इसी क्वेश्चन को शॉर्ट में करने का तरीका होता है व्हेन यू डेवलप लॉट्स ऑफ स्किल टू सॉल्विंग दिस क्वेश्चन. तो यहाँ पे सिंपल हम इसको इस तरीके से भी कर सकते थे, यूजिंग दिस फार्मूला इंटीग्रेशन एफ डैश एक्स अपॉन एफ एक्स डी एक्स इज लॉग एफ एक्स. इंटीग्रेशन एफ डैश एक्स अपॉन एफ एक्स इज log fx तो यहाँ पर अगर हम इस क्वेश्चन को इस तरीके से लिखते हैं e की पावर x माइनस ए टू दी पावर माइनस एक्स अपॉन e टू दी पावर x प्लस e टू दी पावर माइनस एक्स डी एक्स, एफ एक्स डी वाई डी एक्स ऑफ e टू दी पावर x प्लस e टू दी पावर माइनस एक्स इज e टू दी पावर x minus e to the power minus x. So using this formula we can say that this is the f dash x and here is fx dx. So integration is log fx plus c, that is log mod e की power x plus e की power minus x plus c. Similarly you can solve other question like this. I hope you understand the topic method of substitution. Thank you.